Chilliz for the most part is a low-positioned coin with the ticker CHZ that truly has an in every practical sense present worth of $0.066982 and a market capitalization of $506,723,966, but and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Digital currencies by and large have long passed a purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, which explicitly is very critical. These days, it's a resource class that in every practical sense is significantly directed and, surprisingly, embraced as legitimate delicate, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Some huge speculation banks even sort of secure Chilliz and really other digital currencies altogether to generally safeguard their resources under administration against a jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors, or so they truly thought. Presently, now is the ideal time to fundamentally uncover our short, mid, and in every practical sense, long-haul expectation of the improvements on the CHZ market that truly depend on the readings of our genuinely remarkable crypto unpredictability file that certainly assists us with measuring the market feeling and essentially expect where in which the market means to go. Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. At this point, the cost of Chilliz in every way that really matters is $0.066982, while the coin at present fundamentally ends up at 62nd spot in the in every way that really matters, by and large for the most part positioning in an unpretentious manner. The said truly positioning basically is assessed based on the resource's certainly present value that in a real sense is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that generally is applied all through all monetary business sectors in a significant manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients certainly get the most important information with respect to the exhibition of advanced assets in their portfolios, which sort of is very huge. It's likewise vital to truly consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing. On October 30th, the cost of Chilliz truly was at $0.066766 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change basically added up to 0.34%, or so they really thought. 7 days prior, on October 24th, CHZ truly was esteemed at $0.065916, which generally intends that from that point forward, the cost has explicitly changed by 0%, which sort of is genuinely huge. A month prior, on October 1st, the market member laid out the cost of Chilliz at $0.061712, thusly, the coin basically has taken a 8.54% action to really arrive at its certainly present standings, or so they in every practical sense thought. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Chilliz isn't the main variable that we for the most part consider while making the cost expectation lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. It's likewise critical to keep a really sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to have a sort of clear perspective on where the market basically is going in an unobtrusive manner. The examination of market capitalization conveys equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors amazingly. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology truly is utilized to decide the fundamentally generally speaking position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks, for example, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Changes in market capitalization really sure are exceptionally negative in every practical sense, are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could basically be going, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both pretty short and kind of long-haul points of view in an extremely significant manner. This very specific kind of measurement in every practical sense is likewise used to check the strength of Chilliz corresponding to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in a really significant manner. To sort of decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of CHZ, we sort of increase the coursing supply, the boundary that will in a real sense be generally made sense of later by the kind of present worth of the digital currency under survey. Starting today, the market capitalization of Chilliz generally remains at $506,723,966, which shapes the reason for especially present truly positioning was referenced before, or so the really thought. Yesterday, on October 30th, CHZ had a market capitalization of $505,093,154, which is very critical. Keep going week, on October 24th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to generally was recorded at $496,679,715 in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on October 1st, the market worth of Chilliz in every way that really matters was surveyed to be $460, $749, $650 in a very large manner. Complete inventory considers the quantity of coins that in every practical sense have proactively been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, which fundamentally is very huge. These digital currencies can in every practical sense be utilized either for genuinely dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. This kind of measurement likewise considers the coins that for the most part have been gradually gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which truly is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, the in every way that really matters, all-out supply of Chilliz is laid out at 888 CHZ in an in every practical sense, significant way. In conclusion, the flowing stock in a real sense is utilized to work out the market capitalization and all things considered, survey the coins by and large current remaining in the positions, which sort of is genuinely critical. It indicates the general measure of CHZ that is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that really are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly in every practical sense, put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, which explicitly is genuinely huge. It's by and large truly accepted that digital currencies that for the most part have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million, especially are the most appropriate for genuinely long-haul venture, since they certainly are generally truly liable to in a real sense value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Or so they really thought. At this crossroads, Chilliz really has a coursing supply of 7,565,079,839 coins, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with CHZ arrived at the mark of $67,197,432 in an in every way that really matters, large way. Yesterday, on October 30th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame explicitly remained at $39,722,826 in a fundamentally enormous manner. 7 days prior, on October 24th, how much CHZ that generally was traded between market members was assessed at $86,752,973 in an unpretentious manner. Presently for the most part comes an opportunity to for the most part make sense of exhaustively the pith of the crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, since it's a highlight of our cost expectation model that permits us to predict the way that Chilliz will generally follow over the kind of next 1 to 5 years in a genuinely significant manner. CVIX is the consequence of the careful work of our group of market specialists and programming designers that surfaced with an extraordinary equation for measuring and envisioning the normal market unpredictability and enhanced it with the imaginative profound learning calculation that filters through a variety of verifiable market information to in every practical sense